Hello students, welcome back to Science, week 6, day 1. Today, you're going to use your audience-centered communication skill to recall the science project mission in term 4 and to plan materials needed to make for the project. Do you still remember what is the science project mission in term 4? This is the problem. He is Patrick. He cannot go to school because of the coronavirus. His parents tell him that he still needs to do his daily activities and make some fun activities that he wants at home during day and night. The project focus question is, what are the needs and wants during the day and at night? The objective is, Patrick needs you to help him making a schedule to improve or maintain his daily activities at home. How? In order for you to make the schedule, teacher has also prepared some samples of products you can look from. This is the sample 1. This is another sample. And this is the last sample that you can follow to make your own schedule. How to do this? You may refer to your My Personal Schedule assignment done in week 6, day 2. The one look like this on the right. So, from your personal schedule assignment that you have done last time, then you're going to change it into a real project look like this on the right. And on the second section of your assignment in week 6, day 1, there will be plan for tomorrow, the one on the bottom. So from this plan in the box, you're going to rewrite it on the one side here on the bottom. Okay, so there will be a big schedule on the top and there will be a plan of improvement for tomorrow activity. Okay, how to make the project first? You may use any creativity to make the schedule as interesting as you could make. You may use carton paper, plain paper, or any paper at home. You may use color pencils or crayon or any art stuff that you have at home. And remember, you just need to make a schedule in one day at day and night time. So it's going to be only a one-day schedule in the daytime and for the night time. And there will be a plan of improvement on the bottom. Okay, the second options, you may use this schedule planner. Okay, it will be provided for you if you decide not want to use something else at home. You can just use this schedule planner right away. You need to write the title, example, my jobs to do, or you can just write my schedule. Example, today is Monday. And then draw the schedule and time. First, on the boxes on the top, write day on the left side and night on the right side. And then from the assignment from your personal schedule, and then you redraw and then rewrite it again on this schedule planner. Okay, remember, you can make your own schedule planner or you can just use schedule planner provided for you. And then after that, write the plan of improvement. It's the one on the second section in your personal schedule assignments, the one on the bottom. Okay, if you decide to have your own creativity to make your schedule, you can use these pictures to cut. Okay, What to do today? You're going to make your own plan of your chosen product by filling out the plan form in the Google Classroom, then submit it. Remember, you will start making the project on the second lesson. Good luck!